So for this mask, you're going to need turmeric powder, potato, lime, honey, and aloe vera. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off cutting the skin off of my potato. One of the reasons why I'm using potato in my mask is because it helps with ugly spots and marks and blemishes and hyperpigmentation on the face, which I have a problem with. It reduces inflammation caused by bruises, rashes, and ulcers. It also helps with puffy eyes, and it delays the signs of aging. And this potato also contains antioxidants that protects the skin from environmental damage. So for me, even if you wanted to just use the potato itself on your face, that right there will do just enough for you. It will really change the difference in your skin. After peeling the potato, I am going to move into my lime. The reason why I'm adding lime to the mix is because it contains vitamin C and antioxidant, both which are ingredients in many commercial skin products. So I really enjoy using lime within my mask as well because it just does wonders. The next item that I'm moving into is the aloe. Everybody knows about aloe. I don't even think I need to tell you about the amazing benefits of aloe. But aloe also contains antioxidant, enzymes, vitamin A, and vitamin C. It is anti-inflammatory. It can help treat burns, acne, and dry skin. The burns, oh my God. If you ever get a cut and you put aloe on it, literally the next day you will see that your cut is gone. It literally is gone. I mean, obviously it depends on how deep the cut is or how severe it is, but I live for aloe. So yes, that is going in my mask as well. After removing the skin off of the potato and the aloe vera, I'm going to just put that in the blender. For my aloe, I like to use a spoon to scoop out the jelliness inside of it, as you can see here. So that is what I'm doing. After adding the potato and the aloe in the blender, I then go in to add my turmeric. And turmeric I live by. Like, I use this in my mask all the time. Like, it has to be in my mask. So one of the reasons why I live for turmeric is because it helps reduce acne and resulting scars. And as you guys know, like I said, I have hyperpigmentation. So I noticed that the turmeric really helps with acne, hyperpigmentation, and breakouts. And then also I added honey to the mixture because everyone knows that honey is a humectant, and also it has antibacterial and antiseptic properties, so that is why I added honey to the mask. I blended everything up for about 5 minutes. I let it just literally blend up until it is as liquidy as it can get, but we also have to remember that this is a gel-like consistency that we're playing with, so it is going to be a little bit harder to strain this mask. But after blending everything up, I went ahead and I got a stocking cap. I placed it around the bowl. I pour the mixture into the stocking cap, and as you can see, I am now squeezing everything out. And just take your time, do not rush with it, because you will wind up popping the stocking cap, and Lord, it will be just a mess. So just take your time and squeeze it slowly as much as possible, and just, trust the process. So after doing that, I am just going to grab my mason jar, and then I put it in the fridge, let it chill. After it's chill, I put it on my face. I wash my face off, and I allow the mask to work its wonders. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, like, subscribe, and share. I love y'all, and as always, remember to live, love you. Bye, guys.